Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming at you here on Tuesday afternoon, March 3rd. And once again, man, I couldn't get anything right today. I think one, two, three, four. I had five losing trades today. I'm looking for shorts and it's just not working. And we trade right back up into the range. If you look at the big picture on NQ, we obviously haven't made the move like we did yesterday, but trading right back above yesterday's low of day, above the daily 200. We're testing it now again here midday. It's about 12:30. Just a disappointing couple of days to start the month of March. So getting some rejections now off the yesterday low of day on ES, but it's just a little bit too late, and I really just don't feel like trading these other accounts. So I'm just wrong, and I think it's best if I simply just walk away, and so that's what I'm doing. I think we'll just take a look at TradeZella, show you the trades for today. Yeah, it's been a bad start to the year or to the month. 2 days of $3,000 per day, no wins, just all losing trades. I think I had two break even trades today. Just, yeah, ugly. I mean, looking at the stats, the average loss is not that bad. It's just I have not been able to catch a winning trade, and that's what I need to right this ship. So when you have a couple day streak like that where it's like 9, 10 losing trades in a row, that's tough. It's just tough. And I know if I keep trading, I'm going to just create more problems. And so it's best to walk away until the market is more favorable for me. And I think tomorrow morning, I thought about taking some days off, and I don't know if I will or not. I probably won't, to be honest. But one of the things I may need to do is, if the first trade loses, is just to walk away, especially if we're back in this channel that we've been in on NQ. If we get up into this area at all, I mean, we're not really trading in it. Well, we're in it now, but kind of the bottom end of this range. But just tough price action, and I just think I need to just walk away if I'm red, rather than keep trading, even though I'm only taking one trade per account. So let's just dive back into TradeZella. Take a look at the trades for today. First one. This one was a little bit disappointing. It shouldn't have been a loss. Looking for a break and retest below this. Actually, you know what? It might be. I'll walk through here. I might jump back to the charts as well. Looking for a break and retest below this level on the Russell. And I was pretty quick and aggressive on the entry. You can see there was just a little test of that daily 100 that I was looking for. Took the entry, but the problem was I was sized too big. I should have sized a little bit smaller and kept my loss above this level. Had I done that, I would have ended up with a break-even trade rather than a full loss. I did accidentally re-enter. I re-entered this trade, and I meant to switch to Group 2, which is the take profit accounts, and forgot that I had not reset. So I entered the trade again for the second time. That's on this one right here. I re-entered that trade. And ended up with a break even. Whoops, let me scroll down. Here we go. So there you can see the first loss. Again, I thought I had entered and had switched to Group 2, and I hadn't, but I was like, you know what? It's a good trade. I wanted to take this trade. I'm just going to let it play out. Sat in this trade for a long time and, countered a lot of wicks here, and it finally broke down, but then came back up and stopped me out break even, which is fine. But the first trade shouldn't have been a loss. It should have been a break even had I had my sizing correct, which I didn't. So I'll go to the Russell and we'll take a look at that trade. That was right here. You can see the breakdown. Looking for that continuation, didn't happen. And we just basically got a little trap, and then we reclaimed and went higher. I really thought about taking this reclaim long, but I've just not been convinced in the longs. I know we've rebounded the last couple of days, but it just hasn't felt right. It is what it is. I'm just not seeing it correctly the last couple of days. I think I do think we're in for further downside. I really truly do. I don't think this is a bullish market right now. I think we're in a downtrend, and the bulls are trying to push during the New York session, and it's just creating a lot of difficult price action. So a couple of losses there. Moving back to TradeZella, trade number 3 was then on the take profit accounts or Group 2, And that was, if I can scroll down, that was on the NASDAQ. And this is one where I really like this setup. It just simply faked out. We had a break and a retest of this level. And one thing I've noticed the last couple of days is if a move starts to happen, you got to get in. You can't wait. Like, it seems like you can't wait for really good confirmation. You have to get in it. And so when this rejected aggressively, I just got in the trade. I liked everything about it, and it just faked out and went higher and stopped me out. So unfortunate loss there as well. And then trade number 4 was here on the Dow Jones. This one here, I was watching this for a while. I thought about taking this short. This is a level I was going to watch for rejection off of. Started to get the rejection here, rejected off of VWAP, took the entry. Ended up getting down here to just over 1 hour, coming back up and stopping me out break even. So not much of a loss, but did reject again or stop me out and continued. So just another little trap. It's just it's just not been my couple of days. And this last one, I mean, look at this. I was in this trade for a whopping 12 seconds. And this one here, probably a little bit aggressive. Looking for this rejection off prior day low on the Russell. And like, man, okay, it's breaking down, and I get in the trade and just boom. I mean, it just ripped. So it's just tough. That's all there is to it. It's just been a tough couple of days. So again, I just feel like I have to be careful and probably walk away if I've got a first red trade tomorrow. So yeah, that's all there is to it. And I'm shutting the charts down. It's just not worth it. It's just not worth it to sit here and try to look for something to develop this afternoon and force another trade here. I just don't want to do it. And on the eval front, did have a little bit of a green day on the Lucid account that I've been trading, so up 1,200, so crazy as it is, but found a couple winning trades there. Did have a loss on the Alpine account, down $500, so yeah, that account's not doing so well. I've been a little bit aggressive with it, but so goes. So anyway, that's a wrap for today. No fun the last couple of days, and we just got to get our head on straight, and hopefully we can get back with a green trade tomorrow and not try to make this all up in one day. That's, I think, the thing I'm going to have to make sure that I stay in front of is if I do have a green trade or two tomorrow, walk away before you give back, and just not try to make up $6,000 in one specific day. So again, with the ATM strategy that I am trading, a good trade honestly wipes out a lot of this stuff on any account. One good trade wipes out a lot of losses. So unfortunately, we just haven't found a good trade. I'm trying to think if I updated my spreadsheet here. Did I? Okay, this last account group was 208, 206.12, so minus 206.12. Make sure this is all correct, and then we can kind of update and see where we're at. And a couple of those are off by a couple pennies. I can adjust that, but just quickly for you guys. So this group down 400, this group down 400, and all the others are down 200 except for the Lucid account down 400. So again, one good trade takes the 200s into green, and a 2R trade takes the 400 accounts to break even. So I know that. It's just a matter of finding that trade. So anyway, I'll leave you with that. It's been a rough couple of days, and we'll have to get back on the horse tomorrow, and hopefully we can find a win. So thanks for following along. Hopefully you guys are doing better in this ugly market than I am, and we'll catch up with you on the next one. Take care, and so long.